Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday and today is just a chill day. So I gotta eat some breakfast. So I think we have soup from yesterday. So I gotta drink some soup, eat some fried breadfruit. I'm going with a vibe. No? After I finish eating, I'll check back in with you guys, alright?
Alright, so let's see what can we get off this list.
Exactly. You know the sacrifice. The sacrifice. Yeah.
Good evening, members.
We're together.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome on the Sunday. Are you here?
I want to be free now, man. I want to when I give you something free.
No.
You come on the crowd. The crowd are good.
No, I
Hear that? The boy you see now,
nah, man. Them I give you something free.
and that we tell him what it is when you come say it never falls.
And must I give you something free?
I listen to me this the week before pay week, you know.
So imagine pay a week. Imagine pay a week. It gone. So I'm trying to find the red and white cornflakes. Red berry. I think that's what it says. So red and white cornflakes. Marsha, I can ask a question. It's gonna sound stupid, but which one of the red and white cornflakes?
Oh, I don't know if them sell it in here.
Oh, they must
Actually,
have it
it's
in
a red and
there. Oh, I'm gonna see it on them. Okay, so I'm gonna see the red and white cornflakes. So one of them bag there. Right, that's all.
Already?
Red peanut.
No, no.
Red and white.
The same thing on. Alright, so nothing on the bread. Which you normally get the castor oil, Marsha? Where you normally get the castor oil?
They from Auntie Laverne.
Oh shit. What the hell is them have kiss cake in there? I mean, half of them something when I get in them, I get the jerk season already. When I get the one of them something like that. You know try the kiss cake there?
No.
You know try the kiss cake, the only thing I see in the bread.
That's what I'm trying.
You know Marsha? The only thing I see in the bread.
Wait, let me see.
You know see the red and white cornflakes. Alright, I'm trying to find, oh, the bread is over here. But I don't think it even make any sense. If I don't get all the stuff, why am I just gonna take the bread out? And the line is crazy, man. There's a long line. I think this is the bread that she's talking about. That's the bread he's talking about. No, I'm just gonna buy one of these buns for the fun. Okay, so I'm gonna get me some Lasco. You think these worth it, Marsha? You think them worth it? Yeah.
Let's the beer.
Yeah, but me yourself.
Yeah, it's cheaper in here, but
Okay.
let's go overall there.
Alright.
But $2,000 like $10 see.
I'm not gonna get that.
vanilla cream. Oh, is that
There's a
malt
bar,
something?
yeah, only for different, like a one variety pack. So I'm not see the red and white cornflakes. I have to join a long line here for them. Yeah. Wickedness can't done, you know. Them have one line for like 20 items or less. Huh? No, I have to join one line for just these stuff. That's why them say wickedness can't done.
Look at it right here, so. Over here is gonna be the living room. This is gonna be the living room. And that's the kitchen over there. A big enough kitchen.
Bedroom, one, bedroom two, whichever you want.
And then you have one bedroom downstairs. Sorry, my friend. Also, this room gonna have all that room gonna have a bathroom. Bathroom over there.
This
Oh,
reverse, the bedroom here.
and this is gonna be a bedroom and a bathroom, right? That's all.
The second apartment.
Then you have one more room over there. Them actually do a good job how them make it fit on the land. Them do a good job to make it fit on the land because it fits perfectly. Living dining room and the kitchen.
Same motion upstairs.
This is the side of the house. So it's actually a two-story building. So it's gonna be like a rental property. So we're gonna go upstairs. Not 100% complete. You know, there's a lot of stuff missing, like the railing for the stairs. They're not on yet. So we gotta be careful. You know, this is one of the back grill. I don't think it's open. It's actually open.
Imagine.
But I gotta be careful because there's no rain. Look at the tile. So these are gonna be two bedroom?
No, this is one bedroom.
One bedroom.
Kitchen, everything going up here, so and that is the bedroom and bathroom.
Bedroom and bathroom. I like the tile.
See the wall here?
They got some nice tiles in here. The tiles, they're nice. It's a decent size too. The place.
One bedroom.
And then you have a little storage area right here.
You see anything over here?
Yeah. Just the bathroom gonna be right there. I'm actually them do a good job. And then for you to go on the other side, you have to walk on the ledge, man. Literally right now, I'm the man on the ledge. I wouldn't walk on this ledge if you drink. You're definitely going over. All right, so this is the same thing. That's gonna be a kitchen over there. And I think this is gonna be like a living, or I think it's gonna be a living area. So the kitchen's gonna be right here. And then you're going to have your living room right here. All right? And I think this is one of the rooms. And you can already tell that they're gonna have a bathroom somewhere right here. They already installed the piping. I think they're gonna have a bathroom somewhere right here. I'm not sure. I'm guessing. But it's a nice little rental property. It's in Cedar Grove. Portmore. It's nice. Good investment. Oh, I got a liquor voucher on it right here. Oh, this is the view so far. Nothing too crazy, but still a good view. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Still trying to get to that 1K mark. And I'm out on the ledge again.